Okay, let's try to create a GitHub personal access token, which we need to push changes to my repos. And so right here, I'm on the GitHub, my page, and I click on the my my little profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. And I scroll down and I look for settings. I click on settings, and in this settings page, I scroll down and I look for um, developer settings. Right? And we're getting close. Personal access tokens. So we left click on that. And let's go with the classic token. Left click. And here's several tokens that I created as I'm trying to do something. Let's try to figure out how to do this. So let's generate a new token. And again, we want a classic. And this note can be anything we want. So let's, uh, STF font, why not? And this token will expire in 7 days. And there we go. Why not? And so let's click on the repo. So these are what the token can be used for. So I want to access my repo. And I also, maybe I sometimes do some gists. That should do it. So now left click on generate token. And here we got this guy here. So what we want to do is double left click, Control C. And now what we want to do is we want to go to Linux. And let's grab this. And I've done this before. So, well, let's paste. Yeah, we'll put that there for now. All right, now this command here, this git config dash dash global credential dot helper store. It's the command that we want to run. It seemed to work. And now ls-a, which will show all the hidden files in my home directory, because I'm at the tilde, which is my home directory. And right now we have a .git config, but we do not have a .git, I think, credentials or something like that. So that if this eventually works, we will get that other .git file. Let's see. So now we've run this command here. So now it's kind of armed and ready to store our credential whenever we use it here. So now we have to do a command that will make GitHub ask for a password. And the only command I really ever would use was it would be a git push, but I don't have anything to push right now. I think I can get away with it by doing a git clone of a non-existing repo. Let's see, I think I've got that command in my history. See this guy? Let's try if this works. It doesn't exist. Okay, now hit enter. Hit clone into that. And now I want my username. So oops. Okay, I've entered my username, press enter. Now they want the password. And the password is Sky. So I just double left clicked. And now I'm going to hit the middle mouse button, or scroll wheel button. So I'll just click on that one. Click. That worked. It's there. Doesn't show it because it's a password. Hit a return. We knew that would happen. But now let's see if we get a ls-a and git config. It didn't work. All right. I guess that's too bad. So let's try one more time. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a git clone. Uh, and we're going to, the one repo I've got is FPGA. So I got this with two up arrows because it's in my command history. So git clone is here. Okay. This already exists. Let's get rid of it. Okay. The RM command is for delete. The -R is for recursive, which you need to delete directories. I always put an F in for like force, just for good measure. And FPGA was the name of the directory. So now I'm going to do an up arrow again once, twice. And this git clone should create a new FPGA directory. Okay, now CD FPGA, git status, up to date, ls, git, let's see, touch, readme.md. Let's just create a dummy file. Touch just creates a file if it doesn't exist. And now add readme, git command -m for message. And then at quotes, we put in add readme empty. And return. Okay, so now we should be able to git push. And this should also ask me for a password. And my username is and then again we go up to here, double click, middle click. Oops, I did something wrong. There's a bunch of backspaces. Let's try this one more time. Okay. Double click, middle click, hit enter. Oh, so now we just used as our password. We used this. See that? That was with the middle click. That's what was in my paste buffer. All right. So now if we do an ls, let's say pop cd dot dot ls dash a and return. And oh yeah, look at that. We've got a file now called git credentials. Let's do an ls dash la of just this file. So it shows that it just got created and only the user has read-write privilege to it. The group and world do not have access to this file. And let's see what it looks like. Cat. Click. Turn. And so it's got my username in it. It's got the token in it. And it's got at GitHub. Okay, so I think we've just done everything we need to so that we can now, the next time we do something, so let's go back down to the Git repo, Git status, the main branch. Let's see, VI read. Let's see, I for insert. Let's put oops. Let's see, escape. Let's see, what was it? VD, double D deletes a line. I, FPGA, projects, turn, double underscore here, return. Okay, escape, gets us out of the buffer, shift, colon, W for write, Q for quit, enter. Git status, git add readme, git status. So now it's changes to be committed, readme, git commit-m, bump, readme, enter. Okay, git status. And it says on main branch, my branch is ahead of main by one commit. Use git push to publish. So git push, and if all works well, we will no longer need to use a username or password because my credentials are saved and stored and will be cached and will be reused. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And now if we go and let's go back to this page here. Let's see if I can get to my profile page. Profile. Let's go to my FPGA project. And let's go to my read. Oh, look at that. My README file. This is FPGA projects. Done. All right, and I will now do a shift print screen to end this video.